jeolchinies, annyeong! I'm Anne.
And I'm Clarence.
And welcome to our channel! jeolchinies, annyeong! Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. So for our first vlog, we will be introducing ourselves and what this channel is all about.
So before anything else, we would like you to know us. So I am Clarence, but she calls me Stanlong.
And I'm Anne, and she calls me Nicolette.
And currently, we are second-year college students at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila.
And I'm taking up BS in Physical Therapy.
And I, BS in Electronics Engineering.
I'm your future doctor.
And I am your future engineer.
So basically, ginawa po namin yung channel namin para ma-share sa inyong lahat yung mga bagay na natututunan namin sa aming field, since I am in the medical field and he is in the engineering field. So nais din po namin na ma-encourage yung mga students na nais din na mag-take up sa field na kinukuha namin ngayon.
We also share tips in studying, share our travels, and doing our hobbies like playing music, drawing, and making pen pals.
Yes.
And tutorials like cooking, doing embroidery, and many more.
And many more. So in studying, we will emphasize more on tutorials in our particular field. And since I am a BS Physical Therapy student, I will be sharing some lectures about anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, and many others.
And since I am an engineering student, I will focus more on engineering subjects like calculus and physics and many others.
Yeah. So, yon. Of course, we will also be asking some questions, or kung meron kayong mga request na gusto ninyo gawin namin, like gagawa kami ng mga video about how to do this, how to do that, and we will gladly entertain those. So, comment lang kayo sa aming comment section. Wow, may comment section. Yan.
So, don't forget to subscribe.
Click the notification bar.
For more videos to come.
Yes. And yan, sana subaybayan niyo yung mga aming gagawin ng videos, and we will do our best para makapag-upload kami palagi ng mga inspiring and educating videos. So, yeah. Thank you!
Thank you. And
I'm your future doctor.
I'm your future engineer.
And never giving up is our magic.